Uzubagam? Anybody in the corn maze? Go from corn aisle. I'll go down and look. And up the aisle. Let my little Chloe down. She can check it out in here. Says, what are we doing in the middle of the corn maze, Mama? And I'm going to look over to this side of me. Okay, now. Go this way a little. See what we can see in here. It looks like we can see a lot of things, huh? Okay, let's go look up this aisle. I guess you've never crawled through a corn maze before. Actually, I've crawled through many corn mazes in my life. We used to always play in the corn mazes when I was a kid. A kid up to about 14, I guess. Okay. There are little footprints in here. Look at that little footprint. Just little. My shoe. Okay, let's go on down a little bit more. I'm going to see if I can find any footprints in here. Like human barefoot footprints. Okay. My little Chloe's in here. She don't mind it. She don't mind it in the corn maze too bad. Nice little trail to walk in. Check out the corn. There's some corn here. Look. That's good stuff to eat, huh? I guess it's hard now. It's really hard now. I guess they use it for, I think they mulch, feed cows, and I guess. Let's go ahead and look up here again. I'll raise it up high over my head. See what we can see. Okay. Okay, let's just walk through the corn maze. on, Chloe. Come on through the corn maze. Yeah, one's been crushed down here. Something's crushed this corn stalk. Come on, let's go through the corn maze. See if there's any footprints around it. Oh, no footprints. People find corn mazes, or corn, it's not a corn maze, it's a cornfield. It's like a maze though when you're in here, I think, because, you know. Okay, let's go down and look up the aisle. Sun's down, it's like about 6:30 here at night. And dusk.